Here we have some rapid fire questions specifically on skincare. These are questions that are coming from you that I've got written down here that I'll be asking Dr Zoya of Trikwan Aesthetics Mayfair. Number 1, what's the biggest skincare mistake that people make?
Ooh, okay, this one's easy. People get way too much in their skincare. They have 20 things in the morning, 20 things in the evening, and before you know it, your skin is irritated and you don't know what's causing it. So I'd say simplifying your routine. People have too many steps, too many actives in their skincare.
This is rapid fire. I want quick answers.
Okay, sorry, too many actives in your skincare.
What's the best age for preventative skincare?
Preventative skincare, so we actually lose 1% of our collagen each year from the age of 20, so I would say 20 years old.
Okay. Can skincare replace injectables?
No, no it can't. Different layers, we're targeting different layers.
Does skincare really prevent wrinkles?
Totally, 100% skincare, especially sun cream. I would say there are multiple studies on this now. It's sort of unquestionable. Good skincare, good quality skincare, especially SPF, major one, can really prevent fine lines and wrinkles.
How often should you get a facial?
I'd say probably anywhere between 6 to 12 weeks, given that that is the average skin cell cycle.
That wraps that up for a quick Q&A on skincare. Please leave us any questions down below that you want us to get.
That was funny. You are funny.